Oh, hi everyone. Are you born? Today we are going to do birds watching. I hope you watch my YouTube channel videos and I hope you subscribe them. So here we are. Today I'm going to use a camera but you can do with a binocular too. So first of all I will observe the moving birds around me. Some birds are familiar to me, but I will be able to see a new one if I'm lucky today. Let me explain to you the place that I'm doing bird watching. This was a man-made lake maybe a decade ago. This was originally a paddy field which went abandoned due to human activities. So later it was converted into a lake. Today, it is acting as a small sanctuary for the animals who prefer to stay in the city. There are a lot of birds I have found. Before forgetting, I want to record them in my book. To do birds watching, you must take your notebook, a bird's guide, and a binocular or a camera. If you are doing birds watching in your garden, you may not need many equipment. It's better to have a phone to record the bird's sound. It will be really useful to study them further. I think I found a raptor nesting on the island. Okay, let me check the book. Wow, my guess is correct. It's Brahmani kite. Oh, let me see what's happening over there. I think the water monitor is troubling the poor birds. They might have laid eggs on the ground, so they try to fear him off by calling loud. I'm really lucky today to see something like that. So let's revise the birds whom I saw in the sight. The birds I saw: Brahmani kite, red-wattled lapwing, grey heron, purple heron, white-breasted kingfisher, blue-tailed bee-eater, whistling duck, painted stork, whiskered tern, black-winged stilt. It's time to say bye for today. See you in a new adventure.